Beautiful, beautiful sky today. Oh, there's my hawk buddy up there somewhere. Man-made sound in the back. Okay, word is out. They were here before. Maybe they're taking a break. It's afternoon. Like me, I'm taking a break. Hello. How are you? All right. Just sharing the sky, sharing the hawk sound there. There's that little guy there. They know we're back now. Let's see if I can get the hawk. Where is that hawk? There's a baby. Somewhere in those trees. The nest was over here somewhere a while ago. Okay. Oh, I think I see him. All right. Much love to everybody. Love, hugs, kisses, favor, forgivenesses. No forget. And happy, healthy DNA healings to us all. God bless.